Hello everyone, welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a very special diecast, the Hot Wheels Twin Mill Gen E. Part of the HW Celebration Racers 2025 series, this model comes in striking green, red, and gold livery. Collector number 27 out of 250, code HYW80, and it's in the classic 1/64 scale that we all love. This casting pays tribute to one of Hot Wheels' most iconic originals, the legendary Twin Mill. But here, it's reimagined for a new era as the Gen E, a futuristic electric-powered evolution that blends history with innovation. The sleek silhouette, golden wheels, and festive details make it stand out instantly in any collection. On the real concept side, the Twin Mill Gen E is imagined with an electric setup. Estimates place it around 500 horsepower, capable of sprinting from 0 to 100 km/h in about 3.5 seconds and pushing a top speed close to 250 km/h. It measures just over 4.2 meters in length, keeping a compact but aggressive profile. This diecast is also part of the Celebration Racers lineup, designed to mark Hot Wheels' legacy and innovation. The color scheme here evokes a celebratory, almost festive tone, with metallic green, bold red accents, and golden highlights across the wheels and hood deco. As collectors, we know the Twin Mill is more than just a car, it's the Hot Wheels icon. First launched in 1969, it became the ultimate fantasy car with its twin exposed engines. The Gen E takes that DNA and reimagines it for a new electric-driven world, symbolizing how Hot Wheels connects past, present, and future. Stay tuned until the end of the video for close-up shots and 360-degree views of this casting. And as always, let me know in the comments. What do you think about this futuristic twist on the Twin Mill legend? Would you like to see a real version of the Gen E hit the roads one day?